Hello everyone, my name's Alice and welcome back to Sky Arts Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a strawberry. This video is for all the beginners. Are you ready? Let's go! Now let's get started. First of all, you draw a line, a curved line. From the top to the bottom is a fruit, And do the same with another part. And then you draw the leaves on the top with some lines and then connect to the last one. You can imagine that, right? Up and down, up and down. The next part is some dots on its body, and then its fruit has some dots. Ta-da! And it's time to color. With some dots, I choose yellow color to cover all the spots here. And then we color the leaves on the top. It's easy to choose a suitable color, green for the leaves. And we finish with red one. Be careful to color all the sides to not mix all the colors on its body. Ta-da! The last step is to color all the sides of the fruit by black one. Yeah, ta-da! It is a strawberry. You love it? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!